So I have bought this lens and I even bothered to put a lens hood on it, but I'm having a bit of mixed feeling about it. I've tried this lens during the day and did a bit of comparison between my kit lens versus this lens. However, I'm not sure. And I'll tell you why I'm thinking that in a bit. So anyways, first thing to pick out is the added bulk. Let me just remove the lens hood and the UV filter that I put in just in case. And if I remove those, so this is how big it is with the cap on. So let me compare the size with the regular kit lens that comes with Canon M5 or Canon M50. So here it is. So you can see that this one is a kit lens, 15 to 45 mil, and this is the one that I just bought, which is 11 to 22. So size-wise, you can see that is fairly big, and also I'm noticing that this has quite a hefty weight to it than this one. Now, if this actually has more functionality that I need than this one, then I'm definitely willing to go to 11 by 22. Let me pull up the list that I made, the things that I need. First of all, it needs a good production value, image or video. It does have a very good image and video. I would like a shallow depth of field. Whilst at the widest point of 15 mil on this specific lens gives you 3.5 f-stop. This one at the widest point 11 mil f-stop of 4. So this one has deeper field of view. There's not much of a difference anyways. These are wide lenses, so there's not much shallow depth of field, so it doesn't really matter. And the next point is I would like image stabilization. Both of them has IS built into them, so it's great. And the next point is portable or being mobile. So this one is obviously smaller, so it wins a point for being more portable and mobile. And then I want to look somewhat professional. So perhaps there's not much functionality in that, but whenever I go on an event venue or doing a coverage vlog style, I want to look a bit more professional than someone walking around with a selfie stick. So I still struggle with talking to a camera in public, and that's why you always see me talking to the camera in this room. I'm somewhat conscious of what I look like. At least I want to look like I know what I'm doing. And that's why this lens hood will help out making look somewhat professional. Actually, this has a little bit more than the looks. I wanted to protect the lens. I don't want to carry around lens cap all the time, so if I have the lens cap off, this acts as sort of means of protection if I put the camera inside of the bag. So the glass element of the lens doesn't necessarily brush off against the fabric and catch the dust or anything like that. And I'm definitely getting the lens hood for this kit lens as well. Also, this one works as a protection as well, just in case something bangs on the glass itself, it doesn't end up scratching the actual lens. I wanted the UV filter on top of it. And then the next point is it needs to be economical. This one was virtually free because it came with the camera itself. However, this is $350. I don't know, is difference really worth $350? Considering I got my M50 at $650, it's nearly half of the price of my camera. Am I getting really that bang for the buck? It's somewhat questionable. So really that's all I have, and my conclusion is I think I'm just gonna go with my kit lens because it's small enough and I can make it look like somewhat professional, and I just don't think this is worth $350. It's a great lens. I really enjoy the wider view. I just don't really think I can justify spending $350. I'd rather pay return fee. I was hoping for a perfect lens that's gonna make for my travels, but I don't think this is it. So I'm gonna go back to this kit lens, and at 15mm it does so well. I just wanted to document my thought process. If you have liked it, please like it and subscribe to my channel for these sort of reviews and my opinions. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.